Jurisdiction determines whether Indian courts can handle a legal case related to online activities. The Information Technology Act 2000 IT Act lays down specific rules regarding jurisdiction in cyberspace. Territorial jurisdiction, where the crime happens. Normally, courts have jurisdiction over cases occurring within their geographical boundaries. In cyberspace, jurisdiction depends on where the computer server or user is located. Relevant Section 75 of the IT Act extends Indian jurisdiction to offences that involve a computer system or data in India. Example, a cyber fraud originates in Delhi but affects someone in Mumbai. Both locations may have jurisdiction. Personal jurisdiction, who is involved? Courts can exercise jurisdiction over a person or business if they have a connection to India. Under Section 1(2) of the IT Act 2000, foreign companies or individuals conducting online activities affecting Indian users can be held accountable under Indian law. Example, a US-based website scams Indian customers. Indian courts can take legal action. Subject matter jurisdiction, what type of case it is. Different courts handle different types of cases based on the legal matter involved. The IT Act 2000 mainly deals with cybercrimes, electronic contracts, data protection, and digital fraud. Relevant sections: Section 43, Unauthorized Access, Data Theft and Hacking. Section 66, Identity Theft, Hacking and Online Fraud. Section 67, Publishing Obscene Content Online. Section 72, Breach of Privacy and Confidentiality. Example, a hacking case falls under Section 66, whereas online defamation may be handled under IT and IPC laws. Extraterritorial jurisdiction beyond India's borders. Section 75 of the Information Technology Act 2000 extends Indian cyber laws to offences committed outside India if they involve a computer network or user in India. Example, a person in Canada hacks into an Indian bank server. Indian authorities can take action based on Section 75. Challenges of Internet jurisdiction. Borderless nature of the Internet makes it difficult to determine where a crime happens. Multiple countries may claim jurisdiction, leading to legal conflicts. Enforcing judgments on foreign companies or individuals can be challenging due to differences in legal systems. Understanding these types of jurisdiction under the IT Act helps in determining when and how Indian laws apply to online activities.